Okay, so now the task is 2006, count number of pairs with absolute difference k. So it's a little bit complication compared to the previous one. Brute force solution will definitely gonna work. So pair like 200 by 200 gonna be like 40,000. Return the number of pairs where pairs ij where I less than j such that so let's assume we got this array 1 2 2 1 and then k is equal 1. So I need to calculate the number of pairs so that num I minus num j is equal k is equal 1, and this means nums j num I minus num j can be equal 1 or it can be equal minus 1. Num I minus num j. So two possible options when it's like minus 1 and when it's plus 1. So let's assume I do the counter. So counter 1 is 2, 2, 2. So let's go, I go 1, if I have 2 ones, then say num minus 1 equals num j. So I need to, for the current one, I need to subtract 1. So 0 doesn't have it. So let's say, and the second one, I need to find where num j, num I plus 1 equals num j. So num, so 1 plus 1 gonna be 2, and I have 2 of this. So it's basically 2 by 2. Is it 4? Yeah. So the answer should be something like this. First of all, I do the counter nums, and then I go for I go for what return. Let's go items, and then for I say num fq. Okay, so one liner will not help. So let's say I'll have that counter equals this one, and then I'm gonna go for map om equals, counter is already map, so I go res equals 0 for I num fq in counter items with just counter. I need to go num minus k if res plus equal counter and get num minus k multiplied by frequency, and then result plus equal counter num plus k multiplied by frequency, and then result equals result divided by 2, return result by 2, because I can either, like, because it's pairs, like every number gonna be calculated twice if it's like should be included, and I can either update the counter or I can just divide the result by 2. I thought that counter should return like the for the get when it doesn't exist, it doesn't have it, it should return the 0 by default, but it seems like it's not doing that. What if I cannot do this? Will it work? Yeah, so this works. Yeah, that's gonna be it.